We hebben allemaal te maken met big data. En stel nou voor dat dit de big data van uw bedrijf is. En over uw bedrijf. En als ik daar wat verder naar kijk, dan zit daar een klein bakje in, 20%. Dat is gestructureerde data, bijvoorbeeld HDM. Data waar ik ook heel veel mee doe als hippolijn. Of kadaster of uw eigen klant, de vaste data. Maar die andere 80%, dat is ongestructureerd. Wetgeving, contacten met uw klanten, vastlegging, CRM, alles wat maar tekst is. En dat is intelligentie, die heb ik vandaag uit het buitenland gehaald, Zwitserland. En ik geef graag het woord aan Miguel, die u in het Engels over hele mooie technologie de nieuwste ontwikkelingen laat zien.
So first of all, apologies that I don't speak Dutch. As Mirjam already introduced, I will hold a presentation now about analysis of unstructured data and what is seen as the future of search-based data discovery. What are we doing at Squirro? So we try to solve one of the big problems of big data, and that's the unstructured data. Today you have a lot of very good solutions for structured elements, like ClickView and others, where you can do reportings and gain a lot of insights. But what do you do with all the information that is available to you that is unstructured, everything that is text? At the moment, just 5% of the companies in the world are even analyzing this information. So we want to change that, and we have developed a solution for it. But today, we will not speak about the solution itself, but we will speak about the topic. So what data exists in the company, first of all? As Mirjam said, we have 20% structured data and 80% unstructured data. As said, you can analyze the structured data with tools such as ClickView and others, and the unstructured data with solutions that allow you to do data mining and other things. What we do is what Gartner defines as search-based data discovery, and that's a new way of searching. We combine both worlds together by bridging the information and allow you to search from the structured data and receive the results that are relevant from the unstructured data and vice versa. What is unstructured data? What kind of data do you have? On one side, PDF documents, Word documents, everything from known from Office, as well as emails, so all the interactions you can have with your customers. On the other side, everything that is available on the web, RSS feeds, social media, news, all the web content itself coming from Google and all the search engines that you know. Premium data from Bloomberg, Reuters, Financial Times, and all the known companies. As well as already mentioned, the data that is in your systems. Call notes, emails with your customers, service tickets, all this information is here, and is here to give you insights about what you're doing with your customers, what's happening on the market, and so on. Last but not least, we have also the machine-generated data that gives feedback back to your system and often contains also unstructured data, so textual data. Why does this data matter? Here are a couple of examples of customers that are using our technology today. One global company just saved 2 weeks ago an order they had for 800 million because they were able to spot in real time news about an order they had won. The only issue was that the tender was not finished. So somebody talked too much and the information was in the news. The company saw this news popping up in the news media. Sunday morning they called the newspaper and said, take it off. And what happened, it was taken off before the competence could see it. Order saved. The Colombian police force, as an example, they are using our solution as well. They are using the analysis of textual data as well. So they have 36 million records in PDFs about all the crimes that happen in Colombia. And they have news from the news media, from social media, that they are mapping with this information in context, because that's one of our strengths. All of this included into the system they were using, integrated in ClickView in this case. A global car manufacturer is using the technology to understand unstructured data to evaluate surveys. They have 19,000 surveys, 20 questions. The last 2 questions are open questions, never evaluated. They took our solution. In a couple hours, they knew that they had a problem with the climatronic, as an example. The German Red Cross has a lot of unstructured data, a lot of emails, a lot of reports from the ambulance, and a lot of log calls, never analyzed. Once they analyzed this, 24 hours later, they knew that they could have went out 1,700 additional times. And in this case, maybe save 1,700 additional lives. So we are way ahead of the curve, and that's something that Gartner has mentioned. So we are in one of Gartner's hype cycles today for 5 categories mentioned in there, but as said, already a lot of customers are using it today. On one side, Squirro, with this innovative technology, has won the FinTech Innovation Lab. So we could participate there and work with the leading banks of the world during 12 weeks. We are in Compliances Lab from Accenture. We are in Big Data and Analytics Labs from KPMG. And we are in the BI Competence Center from UBS, working right now. Also, here an overview about the customers we are working currently with. Probably a lot of known logos up here. The end, why Squirro, why analyze unstructured data? Just a quick overview. What we do is concept search, so we filter the news to the relevant. There is an ease of use, it can be used really quickly, can be integrated, and it provides the information that you need in the real time.